So that's it, we've literally just finished packing the van, and the next time you see me, we're going to be at the London Motorcycle Show. So first look at the whole unbuilt, and this is the toys auction right now. So as you can see, there's plenty going on. I'm just about to find where Urban Rider are, and then we're going to offload the van. Oh, they're here. Right, so we're all offloaded now anyway, and obviously it looks a total mess, but that's just kind of how shows go. And but you know, next time you see it, it's going to be looking great. So 3, 2, 1. So all done. What do you think? Looks great, right? And obviously I'm just messing with you. It's been quite a lot of hard work, and I'm going to put that in now so you can check it out. Obviously we've got a little bit of titivating to do in the morning, but we'll do that ready for the public, and the grand opening of the London Motorcycle Show tomorrow should be a cracker.
This train is for Beckton.
So third day of the London Motorcycle Show. It's been absolute bedlam. First year we're actually working with Urban Rider, which is wicked. One of our main stockists in the UK, and certainly in London, doing a great job. So we're going to hook up with these guys, and yeah, I think it's been a pretty good show, Andy, right?
Yeah, this is the fourth year that we've been here, and every year the show gets bigger and bigger and better, and we've expanded the offering. Really excited to have teamed up with you guys this year.
And we've got some new products for 2018 that are coming, that are going to come in store, you know, to you guys before long. I mean, could you pick a couple of pieces that you're, you know, excited about, maybe?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you might have to help me with the names,
yeah,
but
sure.
We've got the single-layered jean, which is obviously a big breakthrough, yeah, which is going to be really popular, I think. Richmond jean last few years has been one of our best sellers, and I think we're going to see just the same level of popularity for that, so that's been great. We've also got the shield jumper, which looks really nice. It's the kind of thing
shield sweatshirt
I'd love to wear, you know, as an alternative to sort of like a heavy jacket around town. Looks really, really good. So excited to see that. And then also the Trekker rucksack. We've had
we've had such amazing feedback on that bag this show. I think it's going to be a real fire winner.
Yeah, so there's lots of products kind of across the range, really, and the range has expanded as well. So yeah, we can't wait for them to arrive, and they'll be here early spring.
Yeah, early spring. So actually mid-March. Don't kind of keep me to that, but yes, to an exact day. But yeah, mid-March, coming in store. Check it out, Urban Rider.
.co.uk.
Yeah, we're going to be releasing loads of information about these products. Andy's definitely going to be doing some reviews, and you've been live on camera, so you've got to do that. You can get them at Urban Rider.
Yeah, at urbanrider.co.uk. And do you mind if I do a quick pitch? So if you sign up to our newsletters, you will get all of the latest release info, and we'll of course be telling you all about the Knox stuff as it comes out, with in-depth video reviews as well, because there's some really great features. So stay tuned, and hopefully there'll be more on that shortly.
Great, well look out for it, and cheers Andy.
Yeah, cheers. Have a good day.
Thanks. So that's been Knox at the MCN London Motorcycle Show. I have to say it's been one of our best shows ever. We've talked to more customers, it's been non-stop. I mean, flipping out, we've been working like, 16, 18 hour days, and it's just been bedlam. I know I promised to kind of get some more reviews and bits and pieces, but we just haven't had a chance. It's been absolutely mental. So I just want to give a quick shout out, massive thanks to everybody who came on the Urban Rider stand and to see Knox products. We really, really, really appreciate your continued support. Thanks to all the trade people we've met. Not only the guys from Urban Rider, but the guys from Shaw Harley Davidson, all the guys from the bike shed. We were at a party last night at the bike shed, which was great. Do you know what? The vibe of this show has been really awesome. So I hope you enjoyed that one. And yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. And we'll see you at 2 weeks' time in Edinburgh.